The Leonardo Laura Beach Hotel in Paphos received mixed reviews. Some guests felt that the price was not value for money, the choice of dinner dishes was limited, and some dishes did not live up to expectations. On the other hand, the hotel's water park was often praised as excellent, providing entertainment for children throughout the day. Staff were praised for being responsive and courteous. The variety of food and drink on offer throughout the day was also appreciated by many. Evening entertainment, which includes live bands, dance performances, and cabaret shows, takes place on an outdoor amphitheatre-style stage in the hotel's gardens. Overall, while some aspects of the hotel may not meet everyone's expectations, many guests have been satisfied with their stay, thanks to the excellent facilities and entertainment programs.